Hey guys, did you know that you can customize the REMAX National Housing Report every single month? You get all of the assets. You can customize the video inside of the remaxhustle.com video editor. I personally use Canva. I have a template set up so I can go download the video, drag and drop it, and then save it, add it to YouTube, add it to my social. So how do you get started? Easy. Go to remaxmarketing.com. You're going to go right here to your brand resources. The first option that's going to happen, you're going to see National Housing Report. As you can see, it came out on the 19th. I have it set up on my calendar to do on the 25th of each month. That way I know it's there. It's usually when I'm getting all the market snapshots on a local level as well. So I know they're kind of like almost a month behind, but that's getting all the data. So go over Remax Marketing. You're going to go to your brand resources, click on the National Housing Report for the newest month. You're going to see all this fun stuff. You're going to download all of the assets for that month. It's going to give you a bunch of cool things. You're going to have the actual video, but you're also going to get the graphics, and it's going to have a tutorial and the actual press release that was done. So you get all these fun stuff. You're going to see there's a little different versions of the actual video. One of them is going to say hustle. That is the one where you can go to remaxhustle.com and the video editor to do what you want. I personally go in and I just drag and drop it over to my uploads inside of Canva itself. I already have a template set up, so all I have to do is just come over and replace the video. And now I have the most updated version. The cool thing, if you're using Canva, use the video, YouTube video, so that way you get the correct size. And you can even do a search for, go into your elements, go and do video outro or video intro or something like that. So that way you can see, I kind of add branding on there, all that fun stuff. And as you can see, and I'm going to have her little outro. So that way it's on all of the videos that we do. It's super easy. So now you can go to remaxmarketing.com, go ahead and get everything set up. And let me stop the screen. Perfect. So you're going to go to remaxmarketing.com, download all those assets, go into Canva, use the Remax video editor on remaxhustle.com. Create your own magic, your video, upload it to your YouTube channel, post it to social. It's a great way to get extra content with what's going on with the housing market. So hopefully that helps. Chat soon. Bye, guys.